Hello, my name is Simon Kodric. Welcome to Dewesoft Shakers presentation, and in this video I will be talking about different shaker options that you can choose from. We have different shakers for different applications. So we have the IS series Inertial Shakers, we have the PM series, the Permanent Magnet Shakers, and we have the MS series, the Modal Shakers. So let's start with the Inertial Shakers. Inertial shakers are used, for example, in structural excitation applications, for educational and research purposes. The advantages of these shakers are that they are used by mounting them on the structure. They can be handheld, they can be mounted at any angle, they are compact and lightweight in design, and they have a superior low frequency performance. Important specifications are the force range from 5 Newton to 40 Newton, the frequency range from 10 Hz to 3 kHz. They have displacements from 1 to 12 millimeters. They have adjustable gain, and they have the internal sine generator. Next on the list are the permanent magnet shakers. The PM shakers are used in sensor calibration and vibration testing. Their advantages are lightweight, durability, they are portable and easy to use, they have a adjusted trunnion base that provides high degree of flexibility, they have a broad frequency range, they can be used as modal shakers, but the chuck and the stingers are sold separately. Important specifications are the force in sinus is from 20 newtons to 440 newtons. The force of shock ranges from 40 newtons to 880 newtons. The payload of the shakers starts with 0.8 kilos and it goes up to 2.5 kilos. Frequency range goes from 0 Hz to 15 kilohertz. Displacement is from 5 to 25 millimeters, and max acceleration goes from 30 Gs to 80 Gs depending on the size of the shaker. And last but not least, the modal shakers. The MS series shakers are used in experimental model analysis, general vibration testing, in research and educational purposes. The advantages of the MS shakers are the through hole in the armature. They allow us to easily adjust the stinger. They are lightweight, durable, portable and easy to use, and they have adjustable trunnion base for high flexibility. Depending on the shaker size, they range in force from 20 newtons to 440 newtons. They have a frequency range from 0 to 15 kilohertz. They have a displacement from 5 to 25 millimeters and max acceleration from 40 Gs to 100 Gs. And of course they have the sine generator integrated inside of the amplifier. All of the shakers have an operating temperature from 5 to 40 degrees Celsius. They have storage temperatures from -25 to 70 degrees Celsius, and the max humidity is 85%. And the most important fact about our shakers is that they are shipped ready to go. You get the shaker, you get the amplifier, cables, cooling, stingers and collets, mounting plates, depending on which shaker you choose. For more information, visit our webpage at dewesoft.com or click the link in the description. If you have any additional questions, send them to support@dewesoft.com and we will answer them from there. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.